Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. So two puzzles remain. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese they call it Suguru, but we are interested in this one. Yes, I'm also interested in this one, especially this one, because this one has only 12 printed digits. Yes, 12 printed digits. Not a lot, not a lot. And this will be number 58, 58. Come on, pencil. 58, 1 4, 1 4. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 3 ones. Wait. Here we have a double O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Alright, and now I'm stuck, I believe. Now we need to think. Well, yeah, we need to think. Haha. Yeah, this is interesting. Need to think. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, in this column, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Yeah. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, for the 4th one, then we have here 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes an 1, between the 1's comes an O. Here we have 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place a number 4 here, the 4th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright, double 1, there no. Okay. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So that's our O's. Right. And now. Let me think. Yeah. Can we compare? That's the question. 101. No. 011. No. No. Number one here. We have one row. 110. Woo. Well. Where's the opening? The opening. Fing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, double one here. Here no, there no. Overlooked. Double O. Here one, there one. Yeah. Double O. Here one, there one. Yeah. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ay. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Can I compare? That's the question. Can I compare 101? No. Cannot compare that. Ah. Well. This row and the last row. 1, empty box. 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Question is compare the columns. Yeah, I can also compare all the rows here. We have a 1001 here. Yeah. This row and that row. Well, we have here 1100111100 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3. Do we have a 1, 2, 3 here? No. 1001. 1001. No, it's not the same. Well. I believe I need to compare the columns then. 1001 here. Yeah. This column. Oh, wait. In that column, but yeah. So this should be a 1 then, yeah, in this column. Alright. So we have a 0011110011 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1, between the O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed in 9 minutes. Wow, I thought it was a difficult one. A hard one, but yeah, we solve it again with only 12 printed digits, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.